Started with a dream in a quiet room, only me and the beat, let the hours move. Had doubts in my head, but I play right through. Every bar felt real, every word rang true. They ain't see the nights I was feeling low, I only see the smile when the lights turn low. I was fighting fear, I was learning pain, trying not to drown in my sorrows was true.
Sa bawal luha, may aral na kapalit. Hindi sayang ang sakit kung may sisayang balik. Mga pekla ko'y medalya ng digmaan, patunay na lumaban ako kahit walang kakampi. Minsan sa mikropono ko, ibinubuhos ang bigat para gumaan ang dibdib, para gumaling ang sugat. Kung ang mundo'y tahimik, ako'y sisigaw. Sa musika ko hahanapin ang lakas na nawala.
I look for my darkest days, still believe in me, even when I fade hard on my sleeve with the pain in the way. Sing my truth so the hurt don't stay. If I fall down, I rise again. Every loss is just a lesson. Turn my skies into melodies. This is my life, this is my destiny.
Friends, psychic faith, don't rush your time. Everything aligned when you trust in the grind. Lost some friends, had to walk alone. Found my strength when I stood on my own. I lost my richness, but my soul feel paid from the choices I made, from the risk I take. This is a long road, I'm prepared to stay. I ain't quitting now, no not yet.
Pressure on my back, but I stand tall. Brought real strength from the times I fall. People talk, but they don't know me. Only see the surface, never all of me.
I was squeezing hope when my gas tank was empty. Still gave love when nobody sent me. Had to learn peace, don't come from noise, it comes from Troy's unscarred voice. I don't need fame, I need clarity. Try to be better than the man that was me. If the road gets hard, I won't turn around. I just saw my steps and keep my feet on the ground. I've been praying more and working less, still asking God what my purpose was. At this moment, I'm ready now. Put my heart in sound, let my psalms echo loud.
Hinawakan ko ang laban kahit sa pinakamadilim na araw. Patuloy akong naniniwala sa sarili kahit ako'y kumukupas. Puso'y lantad, ibinuhos ang sakit sa alon ng tunog. Inaawit ang katotohanan para hindi manatili ang hapdi. Kung ako man ay bumagsak, babangon muli. Bawat pagkatalo ay aral na hatid. Ginagawang himig ang mga peklak ng kahapon. Ito ang buhay ko, ito ang aking tadhana. I've been holding on through my